Yeah guys, so good morning to one and all across St. Vincent and to the universe. Today we are traveling to the Owia Waterfall, and if I turn the camera around you will see something in front of you. That's the old Madam Go factory. So we're gonna take you guys on a tour today, but you're gonna follow us and see where this falls is. So we're gonna go up here and then go to your right, and you're gonna see where it is. So stay with us and we're gonna get you. Here's everybody here. Everybody say something there.
What's up, everybody?
Chatty.
Yeah.
All right.
Gonna hike today, boy.
Yeah, so we're coming back live and direct. Yeah guys, so you see this? We are heading to the waterfall now. So follow us as we go. Guys, go up. Jerry, go up. All follow me. There we go. Let's go. We're hiking you guys to one of the most amazing waterfall in the Owia. That's on the Windward side of St. Vincent and the Grenadines. So guys, yeah, let me give you guys a little travel around here. So long ago, well, I shouldn't say long ago, still. So if you take this road, you know, you could go up this track and there's another waterfall on that side. But we ain't going there today. We're going the one on this side over here. So we're gonna walk to the factory area and we're not gonna go down and find this most beautiful waterfall. Jesus. Yeah, boy. Right there, Jerry. Gee, we. What road going on there? Yeah, man, we did go there, Dad. Dad, come next to me. Yeah, boy. So we're heading down here now. Yeah, giving you all a tour today. It should be 3 waterfall. 3 waterfall. So we go to the first one. Yep, let's go guys, let's go. Ooh, a nice mango tree here, boy. You got right on your giraffe, can I get on? Yeah guys, so if you come here, this trail is probably about, I would say 10 minutes maximum, 50 minutes maximum, depends on how flexible you are, and you reach to this amazing waterfall. So we're heading down there now. Follow us guys. How are they? Yeah, right. Oh, yeah. Come now, man. Yeah. So this is the first one here. So this is the first waterfall here, and we have another one. I want to talk about. Come, Jerry, we're going to take a picture and thing. Yeah, guys, come see this, man. Come see this. Wow, look at this. Look at this. Yeah, man. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this, people. Whoa. This is a small one, yeah. This is a small one. Oh, they have a big one there, Roy. Wow, look at this, man. Look at this. And the streams all the way go right down. Yeah, man. No, it's a small one. You haven't got more. Yeah. Yep. Very nice. They're right, but you have to look, you look deep too, you know? You have to look deep too, boy. Jerry place nice, you know? We can go see that, boy. Yeah, we go up here, go see that. I see like you have a big hole up here. There was something going on up in Madam Go, yeah. Wow. Chee! Wow. Yeah, boy. Wow! Jerry! Boy! You missed the hole up here! Watch them, people!
Puede ser un beat more than last two.
Yes, sir! Watch the boy! Yeah guys, so we finished at this one and we're gonna take a walk up to the other one now. Yeah Chad, so we today at the Owia Waterfall having some nice...
Get me some nice cash today, boy.
But Charlie place nice boy.
Yeah, and easy, eh?
I'm gonna tell you, she didn't go come here easy, not you? Boy, if she didn't come in and go love you, not you? This never used to be here now.
Oh.
After them boys start to come, they cut out here. You see me bring out a place for Rachel, I don't know. Yeah guys, so we're going up to the... We're following triangle to the bigger one at the top. The bigger one. Woo. They're right, time to say something to the audience, man.
Let's go, let's go. Let's go.
Let me video them going, man. Want them to see where I'm going, eh? The place nice, man, Rachel, not you? Boy, place nice. The corner gonna be very rich and bad.
Even if I get one of them small and little.
I'm gonna tell you. Jerry, which my big one, boy? Jerry, which my big one, boy, Rachel? Whew. Yeah, Jerry, go in and see it. I think we could go up more, you know. Wow, 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 this is a nice boy. But hey, Chad, you have a bigger one still at top here. So I'll go out, you have a bigger one at top still. Well, Jerry, come in now, I'll take some picture here first. You have to go in. Whoa. Yeah, guys. So we came from down there. We are visiting this one. But we're going to the bigger one at the top just now. Bigger and better. Enjoy this. Enjoy St. Vincent Owia, boy. Enjoy St. Vincent Owia. Charlie, be going up there over here. Now let me tell you a tree, Rachel. A tree, let me tell you. Boy, all them nice. Mother. Wow, is that right? The place nice, boy, eh? Tell me now, no, man.
What's up?
Yo.
Yo.
Chad, come and say something nice, boy, to the audience, boy, Chad.
Yeah, boy, watch a waterfall. We discovered it today, boy. Watch how beautiful it is. That one.
Lush is. Alright, guys, we're gonna try to go up to the other one now. Woo!
Oh, you start there, yeah?
Yeah. I say yo!
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, Dad, I get you.
I'll get you there too, man.
Mother. Your mommy, boy, your mommy gonna love your child, eh? Because in there, everything easy, you know what I mean? Mother! Watch your come up for the Caitlin! Mother! Watch out the Rachel! The place nice, I tell you. Me don't bring nobody no bad place, you know.
I first good place to bring out of me.
So they gotta come now. Mother! Watch your pan down there, quickly. What on there?
Boy, that water will clean.
Watch your water, quickly down there, Jerry. Yeah, guys. And this is the main event today. Chewy! What it? Boy, place nice. Yeah, guys. Whoa. Guys, watch up there. Kayla, you see water, man? Rachel, what should I bring you? Oh yeah. Let's go, Rachel. Oh boy. Yeah guys, we outside today. Don't forget to click that subscribe and like button. Now come here, swim. Here, swim on. We don't take picture already. What now done, man? Seriously, you want to take a swim? This is nice. Wow. Katie! Feels nice, eh? Well, I don't want to take a picture, man, but right now, we need a swim. Jesus. Go and show them, go and show them, go and show them. Yup. Guys, taking a swim now, boy. Taking a swim with Mr. Delroy Woods. Yep, buddy. Yeah. Come on. Wow, by the way, it's nice, boy. Video me one time, Dave. Video me one time, little man. You ready for me? Yeah. Yup, yup. We outside. Woo! Woo! Yeah, boy. Come to Owia Waterfall if you want to experience what we experience. And don't forget to click the like button, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Woo! This is the right. Come on. Yep. Come here, Rachel. I need you inside ya. Whoa, up. My place nice, boy, eh, Jerry? My, yeah. Yep. My place nice. Chad, the place nice. Boy, I tell you. Woo! Waterfall, guys. Waterfall. You see, many of you guys have waterfall in your country, but you can't experience what we experience. Why? One, it's too big and too dangerous. Here in St. Vincent, this waterfall is for everybody. You just go here and enjoy. Come in, get on. Dive in. Come in there, Chad. Yeah, boy. This is nice. This is. Go, let me get you. Come on, Jerry, give me a drink. That's full of water. Yo. Woo! Look at that, people! Yeah, boy. Go up there, Rachel. Go up there, let me get you. Hi, Caitlin. What's up? Just something nice, man. Big up the audience, man. Is that right? Yeah, Rachel, I get you there. Yeah, Rachel. Let me see you there, Rachel, I get you there. Alright, time to swim now. Where you say? I've got enough video. Where you say that, Roy? Come on. I laugh up to me. Wow, look at that, people. Guys, this place is absolutely amazing, man. You gotta come here. It is absolutely stunning. Look at 360 around me. This is something you don't want to ever miss in your life. So you gotta come here. You gotta come to this place, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and click the notification bell. You understand? Yeah, man. Look at Jerry over there. What it? Yep. All right, and thank you guys. Something there. Yep. Son. Yep. Let me go. Woo! Wonders of the world! Woo! Yes! Yo! We're in the waterfall! Woo! Yeah, guys, it's the end of our trip at the Owia Waterfall. Please watch my video of the next episode gonna come soon. But for now, enjoy and peace out.